presenting the Gobindgarh City Centre, an integrated business city being promoted by the MG Gold family, a joint venture company of two distinguished real estate conglomerates, GHP Buildcon Private Limited and MG Gold Realtors Private Limited. Strategically situated right on the national highway at Gobindgarh, the site for the centre is approximately 55 kilometres from Ludhiana, 60 kilometres from Chandigarh, around 50 kilometres from Patiala and Rajpura, and 8 kilometres from Sirhind, Amlo and Khanna. India's capital, New Delhi, is approximately 268 kilometres away. Gobindgarh City Centre offers all the benefits of a strategic location. Mandi Gobindgarh is a town and a municipal committee in Fatehgarh Sahib district in Punjab. Worldwide, it is also referred to as a steel city or Apni Loha Mandi because of a large number of steel factories, furnaces and trading nodes in this town. And therefore, it has long been deserving of a pride symbol which this centre promises to become. Spread over a campus of 6.15 acres, the city centre has been conceived and designed by well-known gold medalist architects, SK Integrated Consultants. The city centre is destined to emerge as an ultimate landmark, establishing a first lifestyle and business destination in Gobindgarh. An important aspect of the city centre is going to be its spaciousness with clear separations for pedestrian and vehicular movements and its ample parking spaces accommodating more than 1,700 cars. The lower and upper ground floors of Gobindgarh city centre offer an open and vibrant retail arena with variable floor plates from 100 square feet for small enterprises to much larger spaces for bigger showrooms connected by wide corridors. The upper floors are suitable for offices and other workplaces and will enjoy the same visibility and connectivity with glass elevators and interconnected central corridors. It's going to be the place for the workaholics, eataholics and the shopaholics. It is going to transform the way in which business and lifestyle is experienced in Gobindgarh, from the narrow congested bylanes to a place made on international standards, spacious corporate ambiences and state-of-the-art facilities. The idea is that of creating a world-class destination where one has offices to work in, a contemporary steel trade centre which the city is so deserving of, a boutique business hotel for hospitality and leisure, retail zones to shop in, food courts to enjoy cuisines and fast foods, fine dining restaurants to relish romantic candlelight dinners, along with ceremony centres, banquets, conference halls, gyms, spas, institutes, banks, healthcare facilities and clinics, game zones and serviced apartments. All the 7 towers are arranged around beautifully landscaped open areas, giving each space excellent visibility from the exteriors. The city centre will indeed increase your business outputs manifold, apart from giving the highest appreciations to your investments. Gobindgarh City Centre, a world-class destination built with expertise and care, is within your reach. Come and experience the world within.